Alright, I'll try and make this video pretty fast. It is a pretty simple project and pretty easy to do if you've never done it before. It is installing a doorstop. So one of these springy looking things, they make them in different configurations, like a solid one instead of a spring. But with the spring, there is a base, and if you unscrew the base, there is generally a screw inside, and it's necessary to prevent people from coming through your door fast and doing this to the wall. Quick shot of the doorstop for the YouTube thumbnail. And then I'll open up this side door. Obviously I just put the trim down after doing the flooring and stuff. And really I put it about 6 inches from the end of the door. So if you go way down by the hinges, it won't open far enough. But if you go down, like I said, about 6 inches from the edge of the door, then you'll find the right spot. And then I just open the door a couple times, make sure that the door is actually making full contact, because you don't want the doorstop to sort of dive underneath the door as opposed to making contact with it. And then for this, I'm just eyeballing it. The trim is a little bit small and the door is a little high, so I got to put the doorstop slightly high, but I pre-drill it. Then I just put that screw through the base plate and then just screw it in until the base plate is firmly against the wall. Then I take the spring, and there's a little hole in the base plate, and then screw in the spring. It'll stop when the spring hits the base plate inside. Give it a couple test throws, and it stops, and it doesn't impact the wall. And it's that easy to set up a doorstop. Shouldn't take more than about 5 minutes to get it all done. And in fact, going and get your drill and your screwdriver will probably take longer than setting up the doorstop. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.